Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the latest news from Audi and their groundbreaking strides in sustainable production with the all-new Audi A5 family. This isn't just about sleek design and performance. It's about pioneering eco-friendly manufacturing. Let's get into it. Audi's sustainable production revolution. First off, let's talk about where all the magic happens. Audi's Neckarsulm plant. With the new Audi A5 rolling off the production line, this marks the largest startup phase in the plant's history. And what's exciting is that this isn't just a regular production line. It's geared towards sustainability and efficiency like never before. The premium platform combustion, the Audi A5 family, is the first to be based on the premium platform combustion with partially electrified drive systems. This means we're looking at a blend of traditional combustion and modern electrification, setting the stage for a more sustainable future. But Audi isn't stopping there. 360 Factory Production Strategy. Audi's 360 Factory Production Strategy is all about creating a carbon-neutral production process by 2025. Yes, you heard that right. Net carbon neutral. They're ramping up automation, integrating innovative technologies, and renovating their facilities to achieve this ambitious goal. State-of-the-art paint shop. One of the highlights is the renovated paint shop, set to be one of the most modern in the automotive industry by 2025. The new process eliminates the need for separate drying of the filler, saving up to 140 kilowatt-hours per vehicle. This wet-on-wet painting process is not only energy efficient but also reduces the environmental footprint significantly. Innovative corrosion prevention. Audi is using advanced methods to prevent corrosion, like cathodic dip painting, which involves rotating the car body in the tank. This ensures thorough coverage and avoids dirt deposits. Plus, a new transverse drying process heats the body from the inside, making it more energy efficient and suitable for future electric and hybrid vehicles. Energy savings and water use. Audi is making huge strides in energy savings and sustainable water use. A new paint separation process captures paint mist with state-of-the-art filters, allowing more than 90% of the filtered air to be reused. This drastically cuts down on the need for fresh air conditioning and eliminates the use of fresh water and chemicals. Speaking of water, Audi aims to halve its water consumption in production by 2035. At Neckarsulm, they're using a closed water cycle with the Unteres-Salmtal Wastewater Association's treatment plant. This innovation will save up to 70% of fresh water starting in 2025. High automation for premium quality. Neckarsulm is leading the way with full automation for installing add-on parts in the body shop. 7 robots handle the complex fender attachments, ensuring precision and reducing human error. This high degree of automation not only improves quality, but also boosts efficiency. Quality control and digital innovation. Quality control at Neckarsulm is cutting edge. New measuring technology allows inline measurements without removing vehicles from the line, ensuring continuous quality checks. They're even using augmented reality (AR) for inspections. Inspectors can now check weld seams and bonded points in real time using an AR app significantly increasing efficiency. Audi is not just building cars, they're building a sustainable future. The new Audi A5 family, produced at the Neckarsulm plant, is a testament to Audi's commitment to innovation and sustainability. From advanced production techniques to significant energy and water savings, Audi is setting a new standard in the automotive industry. That's it for today's deep dive into Audi's sustainable production journey. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and the latest in automotive news. Until next time, drive safe and stay eco-friendly.